In this video, we will go over how to create a template file in the Text Labels app within Brady Workstation. For written instructions, review the article linked in the description. Open Brady Workstation and click on the Text Labels application. Select the printer in the drop-down. If the printer is not connected, select the printer name in the list. If the printer is connected, click the arrows to refresh the list and scroll to the top. If the printer is connected via USB will appear next to the printer's name with the computer port number. If the printer is connected to the computer, the label may display under Installed. Not all printers will display installed media. If the media does not display, add the part under Search by name or Browse by size. Once the printer and part are selected, click Blank Template and click Create. The Document tab has different label properties that can be adjusted as needed. If there are multiple lines and the Fill Label checkbox is not checked, different data can be entered on each line. If Fill Label is checked, the same information will appear on every line. The font size and label size will determine the number of lines. Prompt at Print is set on this tab. When the Prompt at Print Time checkbox is checked, the print preview to enter the information will only allow manual text or drop-down selection. In order to create a sequence or import data from Excel, uncheck the Prompt at Print Time checkbox. Click in the first line and select the Object tab. There are 3 different object types: placeholder, pick list, and static text. Static text appears the same on every label. A pick list limits choices to the specific values configured when the label was created. Click the plus sign to add each choice in the drop-down. Enter the text in the text box. Placeholder text defines the specific fields where data is either manually entered or imported during the label printing process. To modify your label, navigate to the Text tab. From there, you can click the pencil icon to rename the text box. This is helpful for identifying specific fields when adding data later. Adjust font styles, sizes, and other text properties as needed. To incorporate other elements into your template, you can add objects to different lines as needed. Aside from text, the only other dynamic data fields available for these templates are date and time. You can configure the date and time fields to refresh automatically when the file is opened, printed, or both. Selecting these options ensures that the information remains current and reflects the exact moment of printing. Save the template and close out the file. Open up Print Partner. Search for the template file and click Open. Enter text manually in any placeholder fields. Add a sequence. Or import data from Excel. If Prompt at Print Time was checked, there is not an option to add a sequence or import data. Manually type in the information for placeholder text, or select the option in the drop-down for a pick list. Once you have entered all your information, simply hit Print. You've successfully created, customized, and printed your template in Text Labels. For more instructions and tutorials on Brady Workstation, visit the Brady Knowledge Base.